I've been doing a lot of tree clearing with this dozer lately and kind of figured out that it needs a little more protection on it. The last thing that happened, I had a log jammed through the radiator screen and stabbed the radiator. So I just soldered it using this type of solder. And this seems like it's fixed. To get the top, what worked well, because its gravity is working against you, was to heat up a screwdriver and then use that to push the solder up where it needs to be. So this looks like it's fixed. Only one of those cores got damaged, so I think it's going to be all right. I'm going to put that screen back on it and then weld some square bar to that to make it stronger. Plus the bulldozer really needs some guards coming up here to the top to protect the exhaust and protect this. I've smashed that thing a few times now. So I just ordered some 3x3 square tubing. That's the same as what this is made out of.